lights fade, take my hand, make me feel
This could be like a huge kind of like background tunnel thing. Oh yeah, if it's inside of this is pretty cool. I think I'll actually just get rid of this platform down here. Yeah, this should feel really cool if we like push into this building. Oh yeah, this one I like because of the pattern. But forbidden could mean that it could be like kind of like a vault. So we have these doors here in the beginning, and they open up to reveal the inner. It's kind of like almost like a bunker, like a vault, yeah. Almost feels like a worshipping temple. Entrance to a bunker. Let's just go for it for a moment. Let's try to build that idea out. Okay, let's watch that back again. We're going through a forest. The doors open a bit too early right now. Yeah, that could be cool. Okay. The timing just needs to be a bit tighter. And have it land on the beat drop, basically. Yeah, that could be cool. I'm just a bit worried now that if we have like such a slow intro, that people are gonna click away, right? Okay, now I've got an idea though. If we have like a forest here, we could have kind of like energy and maybe already lasers kind of like flowing through the forest towards this door. Actually, yeah, okay, you know what? I'm gonna add some fog because I think fog is gonna add a lot to the scene. I think we're gonna get what I want with this silhouette idea here. We probably need a few more lights. Volume, scatter. Density should be pretty low. Okay, so add shader, emission. Oh yeah, they are the same object. Alright. Let's try the lasers. Super thick laser. It looks kind of interesting though. Looks kind of cool. It's gonna light up the whole entrance. Oh, that does look pretty cool though. Let's see, how's the timing anyways? Like, how fast are we going past these? Oh, pretty fast. Even if you see it like inside of the forest, could be cool from time to time. So this looks nice. And the inside already is like really cool, I think. But I definitely want to give it a little bit more detail. Because now it feels very simplistic. Which wasn't really my goal from the beginning. But it does look cool, yeah. Yeah, that feels cool. Yeah, this is actually super cool. Wow, this is like a wholly new direction. I think I like it much more than what I did build yesterday. Oh, that's kind of cool. I've got like a rooftop stuff. Because this also looks kind of cool. Yeah, a little taller for sure. No problem. Make it big. Let's just try to put these like kind of like symmetrically behind it. See what happens. Maybe from top, maybe. The suffering continues. But yeah, I think in general it's gonna be pretty cool.
take my hand, make me feel